Welcome to the in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you how to change a fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now I'll show you the currently one. As can you see the magic circles, and now we'll just change this animation by this way. So first we should go into the settings and then scroll down here to the passwords and security. After that, click here to the fingerprint, draw your pattern or enter the passcode, and click here to fingerprint animation. And now we can select one from these available animations here, and after that just go back, and now we can see the look of our new fingerprint animation. So as can you see, that's really simple. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.